guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry we haven't made a video in a very long time. Happy New Year, it is 2022. In today's video, we are going to be trying viral candy that are on TikTok and YouTube and social media. So we are going to be trying a strawberry ooze tube. We're going to be trying a sour grape small slime liquor. And then we are going to be trying jelly fruit. We have mango, strawberry, lime, and pineapple. Yes. Oh, and grape. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all we're going to be trying. And let's get started. Okay, so we are going to try the jelly fruit first. I'm going to be trying mango, and Ashley's going to be trying. She'll be trying strawberry.
Ew, I don't like strawberries.
Okay, then she'll be doing grape.
I don't like
Okay, so it's hard to twist open, so we're gonna bite.
I'm
into
not
it.
biting it. People choke.
This does smell a bit weird and a bit like mango.
It smells crusty. This is musty. It's gross.
Okay, what did you just do, Ash?
It's not good.
What's not good? What did you do? Did you
I
taste
cut
it?
it open and then I squeezed it, and it's like watery and jelly, and it's
can't
gross.
Okay, show us. Oh, it's jelly.
It's crusty, is what it is.
Okay. We need an instant replay of what just happened.
It's musty.
All right, so what's happening? What was the flavor, Ava? Ava?
Mango.
And?
It did not taste good whatsoever. It tasted like burnt sweet toast. Burnt sweet toast. I don't know.
Burnt sweet toast. Okay.
I have a feeling this isn't
All
gonna be
right,
any
so
different.
next then. So what are the other flavors there? Are you going to try them or not?
No,
Why not?
because there's no point in opening them if they're all gonna
No.
taste bad.
Well, what's the
just gonna
point? You're not going to say, come on, open the next one, Ash. Let's go.
I'm not trying anymore. These are crusty.
No, thank you.
Okay, but you have to describe it for the viewers.
Okay. It doesn't taste like lime at all. And the smell. I don't know how to describe the smell.
All right, so what was that flavor, Abe?
Pineapple? They all taste the same, which is sweet. Tastes like sweet burnt toast or something.
Even know
Okay.
tastes
so,
like.
All right, so you're not going to open the rest because they're all the same and they're all gross?
Nope.
Okay, all
Nothing
right.
crusty. Bye-bye.
So that's a fail.
Fail. Nasty. This is cap.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Okay, next is the Ooze tube.
Who's tube? Flavor?
Ooze tube. The flavor is strawberry. I feel like this consistency is gonna be like melted candy that just went in the microwave or something, or like melted gummies.
Okay.
I'm square.
Is there plastic on the inside of it? Okay, you're checking. Okay, I'm going to be trying pineapple. This looks more green than it does here. Anyways, okay. The consistency from the plastic feels like water. But here, Jello. Okay. It smells the same as the mango.
Bite it.
You try one too. I'm scared.
Yeah, it has the consistency of syrup.
Like maple syrup?
Yeah,
All right. What flavor is it?
strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go together. Okay.
Mmm. Sour but good.
Oh. One says sour but good. The other one,
That's not good at all.
not good.
I hate that.
Okay. Where are you going?
Gross. I'm going to rinse out my mouth because that was disgusting.
What about it, Ava?
Very, very sour. I think it might, yeah. It doesn't say sour here though.
No?
No, it does
Okay.
not.
Just says
Very sour.
Sweet Bandit Ooze Tube. Ooey gooey. Ooey gooey. All right. So, do you give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
I give it a sideways.
This one's a sideways. What was your jelly fruit? Jelly fruit, thumbs down. Okay. All right.
Okay, so the last one is the sour slime liquor, grape flavored. This is obviously just,
Let me help. It's a screw off.
yes, it's like a roller with liquid on the inside of the bottle. And you have to rub it on your tongue, but we only have one, so one of us is gonna put it on
No,
the back of our
we're
hand.
not doing that. Look, see, it's already leaking. Anyway, I think you have to get it wet first.
You're nasty. Ew, your tongue. Sour? I did say it was gonna be sour, Ashley. I'm sure you looked at sour. It doesn't taste too bad. Okay.
Clearly, she's liking this one. No, she
So
gave
the
that one
slime,
thumbs up.
the slime liquor, pretty sour.
Does it taste like grape?
It's
Does
just-
it taste
no.
like?
It doesn't taste like grape. It just tastes like sour powder in the form of a liquid.
Yes.
Okay.
The only one that I would recommend you guys getting is this one, except not sour.
Get it sour.
Okay. And maybe Ooze Tube if you guys like syrup, candy stuff. And if you like the flavor of jelly fruit, go try it out.
I hardly can.
Anyways, yeah, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe. I hope this year brings you luck. Best wishes to all and Happy New Year. Bye. Oh, also, please go subscribe to my other channel, Fun Gamer Girl. Thank you. Bye.